Assalamu alaikum. In this video, I'm sharing an easy fish fry recipe cook in 30 minutes. When you're craving fried fish, try this quick recipe. Please follow full video. "500 grams of fish when you wash. The fish, be sure to add 2 to 3 drops of vinegar. Oil 3 tablespoons. Fish fry masala 3 tablespoons. Ginger garlic paste 2 tablespoons. Mix well. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for easy recipes. Black pepper 1 teaspoon. Red chilies flakes 2 teaspoons. Salt as your taste. Corn flour 1 tablespoon. Half of lemon. Mix well, rest in 30 minutes. Now we will fry the fish on slow flame first, and then we will go ahead and fry it on medium flame. Alhamdulillah, final done. Please like and subscribe to our channel and turn on the bell notification so that you can get every upcoming video. Thank you for watching.